Hey, what's up, everybody? Jeff Amen here from 9to5rescueplan.com. Now, I just came across a new product called the AZ code. It's from the marketplace clickbank.com. Now, the AZ code is a Amazon course, and it says if you're in the United States, you can make up to 3,000 in Amazon commissions today. So I did a little bit of research. I looked into the affiliate program, looked into the product, and dug up as much information I could, but lo and behold, I can't really find a whole lot. Here's what I did when I watched the sales letter. This is what I thought of. A few different things. Now let's check this out. First, the AZ code, the Amazon code website, the azcode.com, is supposedly run by Andrew Peterson. However, I haven't been able to find out if he's even real. He doesn't provide any photos or link to any social profiles. And if you're doing business with somebody, you got to make sure they're real, guys. You got to make sure they're real and they're not just out there with a good sales letter and a crappy product. Because there's so many products out there these days with a good sales letter that really makes you want to pull out your credit card, and then they have a crappy product. Number two, there's really no explanation of what the product or system does. It's just a hypey sales video telling you that you're going to get rich very easy as an Amazon affiliate. The third thing that I saw that kind of was a red flag, they say making money as an Amazon affiliate is not that, it's very simple. And trust me, it's not that simple. I've tried it over and over again over the years, and it was one of those things that just never worked for me. So saying that it's easy is definitely that's just not true. Now, the testimonials and income proof, this is a big red flag, and probably the biggest. The testimonials and income proof look to be fake. I mean, it's pretty obvious that the income testimonials and the testimonials from people throughout the video are completely fake. It's pretty obvious that they are paid actors. All right, so that's another big red flag. So I haven't purchased this product. You're not going to find a link to this product in the description, video description, or anywhere in this video. I'm not recommending this product. That's not to say it's not a good product, because I personally haven't actually purchased it. I'm just giving you my upfront impression. I certainly won't be purchasing it myself, because I have a feeling that I'd just be throwing money away. Now let's also look. It says it costs $37. $37 start now, only $37. And if you go to the affiliate page, once again, it has no information about what the product actually is, but it says welcome affiliates, make up to $199 per sale on this hot new ClickBank launch. So obviously that means that there's going to be some upsells. So after you pay your initial $37 and you think you're hunky-dory and you're about to get the, and there's nothing wrong with upsells, don't get me wrong. I mean, if the upsell has something to do that's gonna maybe an additional training, that's perfectly fine sales right there, upsells. I mean, there's nothing wrong with upsells, don't get me wrong. I'm just letting you know that after you pay your $37 that they're going to hit you up with additional sales. And like I say, that's perfectly fine. It'd just be up to you on whether that particular offer was something that you wanted to purchase. I just want to let you know that there is going to be additional sales that they're going to try to, additional products that they're going to try to get you to buy on the back end. All right, so with that being said, the AZ code, you know, I can't recommend buying it. I'm not going to buy it. Like I say, the only products, the only links that I'm ever going to put in this description are products I'm currently using. With that being said, if you'd like to check out 9to5rescueplan.com, I have that domain for a reason. I recently quit my $69,000 per year job to work from home full time from my bedroom, actually, and it's just been great. I get to spend more time with the family, with the kids, and all that kind of good stuff. So with that being said, have a great day. I hope this opened your eyes to the AZ code. Once again, I'm not saying that it's a bad product because I haven't purchased it. I'm just telling you what my initial reaction was when I saw the sales page. All right, have a great day. Bye-bye.